Hi, I'm Emily with Game Live, demoing our multimodal intake capabilities. We automate intake via phone, email, and web form. All three options can be available to your clients so they can report based on their preference. Each solution supports auto translation, and then once complete, the output can be exported back to your system and immediately drive communication and workflows to the appropriate parties to prevent any processing delays. So first, I will demo intake via phone with our agentic AI solution by calling our intake number.
This call may be recorded for quality assurance. Please press 1 if you would like to continue the call in English, 2 to continue in Spanish, or 3 to continue in French. Thank you for calling the Game Life Injury Reporting Line. My name is Jarvis, and I'm here to help guide you through this process. Are you calling to report a new injury today?
Yes, I am.
I appreciate you calling in. I'll be helping you report a workplace injury today. First, may I have your name?
This is Brenda O'Connell.
Thanks, Brenda. And how do you spell that?
Brenda O'Connell.
Got it. Now, can you tell me the injured person's name?
Kevin Foster.
Thanks. And how do you spell that?
Kevinfoster.
Appreciate you spelling that out. Just to clarify, is that Kevin, Kevin, and then the last name Soster?
Yes, that's correct.
Perfect. What's the best phone number to reach Kevin?
555-606-2020.
That's 555-606-2020?
Yes.
Great, thank you. Now, could you walk me through what happened to Kevin?
Yes, so this morning around 7:30 a.m., Mr. Foster had parked his truck at a rest stop on his route. And then while checking the cargo, he noticed a heavy crate pallet had shifted slightly, posing a potential hazard for the next delivery stop. So he tried to pull the crate manually back into position, but this caused an immediate searing pain in his lower back.
I'm sorry to hear that happened. So Kevin was checking cargo at a rest stop this morning around 7:30 a.m. And when he tried to move a heavy crate, he felt a sharp pain in his lower back. Can you tell me more about the pain? Is that the main injury, or were there other areas affected?
Yeah, I only heard him complain about his lower back, no other injuries.
Understood. And which rest stop was this? Do you know the specific location or address?
I know it was on Interstate 35, and I think it was around mile marker 250, but that's all I know.
That's helpful. 35 around mile marker 250. And what company does Kevin work for?
ABC Manufacturing. And also, could I ask you a question?
Of course, what's your question?
So I have Kevin with me and he wants to head to the hospital, but he's not quite sure where to go. Is there anywhere in particular I should send him?
That's a big question. Kevin should seek immediate medical attention if he's in significant pain. He can go to the nearest emergency room or urgent care facility, whichever is closest to his location. If it's an emergency, he can also call 911 for specific facility recommendations in your area. You could also call our immediate assistance line at 855-123-4567, and they can help direct him to the right place. Given that Kevin may need medical care right away, would it be helpful for you to speak with someone on our team now who can assist further?
No, I think it's okay. Just, is there anything else I should let him know on next steps or what to expect before I send him off?
The most important thing right now is to get Kevin the medical care he needs. Once he's been evaluated and treated, make sure he follows up with his healthcare provider's instructions. You can also reach our assistance line at 855-123-4567 if either of you have questions about the workers' compensation process going forward. For now, let's continue gathering some information so we have everything documented. What's Kevin's date of birth?
I'm not quite sure. Let me look it up one second.
No
Oh,
problem. Take your time.
okay, it's May 15th, 1980.
May 15th, 1980. Got it. And what's Kevin's address?
So I'm going to end the demo for the sake of time. But all of the questions and answers are fully configurable, and we can set guardrails around what and how it answers potential questions to ensure accuracy. If it can't answer a question or at any point the reporter seems to get frustrated or asked to speak to a representative, it can be forwarded to a person or other communication method. Next, we can support email intake by ingesting unstructured emails. So here I have an example email written up outlining a workplace incident with some details, but in an unstructured way. So if I go ahead and send this, and then after a few minutes, I can see that it's been imported into our system. I can open up the incident report and then view the email on the right and then the extracted information on the left. So I can see it's a type of intake. We generated a summary and then extracted the key intake items, which we could use then to create the claim or automatically fill out a document or questionnaire. So with this, just to emphasize, we can import emails directly from an inbox to process the file and then send you the extracted information to create the claim. If there's any missing information, we can also send a text or email back for them to fill in the missing information. Lastly, we can offer submission via web form. Again, all of these questions can be configurable based on client, jurisdiction, line of business, etc. And we can support different types of questions or cascading and dynamic questions based off of the type of claim. It's also, again, available in multiple languages. So here I can fill out the claimant information. Kevin Foster, 5-919-4040, with a date of birth of May 15th, 1980. The incident happened today, ABC Company in California, and enter in the incident description, strain back lifting cargo. We can have a subtitle on the level of detail, the types of information that you want to have in the description as well. And then I can go ahead and submit the form. Once the intake is complete for all three methods, all the information can be automatically sent to your system in your preferred format, whether it's via API, email, or populated into a questionnaire or document. And a copy of the report can be sent to the reporter, employer, or any other desired parties. All of the questions are fully configurable and dynamic based on the collected information. It can be auto-translated. We can additionally support triage and auto assignment based on your business rules. And then with this multimodal approach, really what we're able to offer is a preference-based experience for your clients, empower quick and easy reporting, all while automating the process. Thank you for your time, and please reach out to your team if you have any additional questions regarding the intake capabilities. Thank you.